Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Andy back with another video. So today I'm going to install a bolt bar on my 2012 Honda CRV. It's going to be right in front here. I'm going to put the rough country off-road lights in the front, and I'm going to have to remove there's a first bolt here. As you can see, there's the bolt here that I have to cut out, this plastic trim and remove, and the other one on this side. So here's the kit that it came with. That's the bar, and there's a kit, and there's a template that I have to cut out for the plastic trim and all the mounting hardware. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna set this up. All right guys, I'm back and I'm gonna show you where the mounting points are. So down here, see there's that frame bracket and bolt. So you have to take that bolt out and put in these brackets here. So you do have to cut out the plastic trim on the lower edge. They give you a template, and you just have to cut the plastic out to make the bracket fit. This is on the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. So it looks similar on both sides, and then you have a bolt behind here. In the back there's a bolt right above. Yeah, so I don't know if we can't see it, but it's, well, the bolt is back here. That's where this mounts, the bracket mounts to the bolt bar. So that's the way it is connected, and that's the front of the bar. Now I'm still trying to see if I can add maybe some lights to the bar, because these are already welded for some off-road lights. So I'm gonna see if I can do it myself, or I'm gonna have to get somebody to a shop to install it, because it seems like it was a lot of wiring and things you need to take out in the engine bay. So I'm gonna see. All right, thanks for watching. Just want to show everyone my new installation. Like and subscribe to my videos. Till next video.